Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm just going to show you how I hung this door behind me. I took the old one out, it was rotted at the bottom and the threshold was rotted out, so I just decided to replace it. These exterior doors at Lowe's are like 180 bucks. Just had to measure, the door was 36 by 80. The only issue I had was when I put the threshold in, I had to cut out some at the bottom of the door jambs, and the frame was a little too wide for this door. Like I said, it's an old house, so everything's kind of off. But these are the tools I used. Just a regular drill, skill saw. Skill saw was for cutting the front of the door jamb, or threshold, I'm sorry, and then the multi-tool where I just trimmed up around the hinges, and I cut out the bottom of the door frame there so the threshold would fit in. But that's it. Hope you liked the video. So as with everything in this old house, the bottom hinge wasn't attached to the door. It was folded back and rusted shut. So I got it open, but it as you can tell, it just doesn't want to move. So I have another hinge somewhere. Right here. So I think I might take that one off and install this one. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so what I did is just prop the door up on some scrap pieces of lumber, and I got it up here to where it's just a small little gap that'll allow the door to close. And down here it's not lining up, so I'm gonna take the door down and we're gonna mark it right there, and I'm gonna cut this little bit out so the hinges will align. So I'm gonna go down here and just mark it on each hinge so that we can hang the door and it's flat up against the frame. All right, it's not the best, but the hinge should fit in there now. I'm just gonna do that same thing down here. I got the line drawn right here, and then down here it's marked right here. So what I'm gonna do here is just line my door up and pre-drill one screw hole in each hinge, and then close the door and make sure I got it all lined up. I don't want to go ahead and drill all the holes and the door not close the way I want it. So because if you go ahead and put all 4 screw holes in and you have to adjust and maybe you have to move it out or back, you're gonna have that hole there, and making multiple holes with screws, and it's not going to give you a tight fit and the screws will come loose. So I'm just gonna put one in each hinge for now and see how it closes. All right, so I just put 2 screws in. It's holding up for now, but I don't like the big gap up here, so I believe I'm gonna have to tighten these up, pull it back some, because that gap's too big. And then over here, when it closes, it's got a decent sized gap in this one as well, all the way down. So have to figure out a solution for that. I just need to cut in this, just cut it a little bit off here so it's flush with the door jamb. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, so I had to run the lows real quick, get this threshold, and now I'm going to measure in here and cut out the rotten wood and put this threshold up. So I just cut a 1-inch piece of PVC and just ran it across the front just to clean up that front, and nailed it in. Now I'm gonna put the threshold over top. I kind of cut out sides so it'll fit in there, and then I'll caulk it up real good. All right, so threshold's on there. The door's not closing all the way, so it's only going to there. Looks to be kind of flush up here, but it kind of veers out down there. So I think the problem is right here. Well, the problem is the doors, it's not level, but it's hitting right here. So I think if I just move that back, so we'll straighten it up down there. See how that gap widens to this corner, and plus we're not hitting where we need to be here. So I'm gonna have to drill a new hole for that. All right, so I'll put a new piece of PVC board up beside the frame to fill the gap, and then I move this trim line back. So door closes. Will close. And now I got to figure out where I want to do my holes. But that'll be another video. That pretty much concludes the door hanging. Wasn't too difficult. I mean, I had to run to Lowe's again, but I got a new threshold down there. Replaced the bottom rotted board out with the PVC so it won't rot. Sorry about this wind. It's always windy out here. Annoying. But the door is up, and there's the old one.